There are two different ways of doing a VLOOKUP in Alteryx, and both of them are better than the actual VLOOKUP formula from Excel. We have two datasets here, one with ID, this is the column we will use to join our data, a column for product, category, and price. And on the second table, we have the stock level, the supplier, and the rating. With a find and replace tool, you can do a VLOOKUP by selecting entire field, defining the two fields that your table have in common, and selecting the append fields to record option. Here you can define which columns will be joined to your initial dataset. You don't need to use three different VLOOKUPs, you can just use one find and replace tool. If you check at the output of the find and replace, you will find all of the column joined. The second option is using an actual join tool. In here, you will have to define the columns that both of your datasets have in common, again, ID and product ID, and you can keep or discard any column from both sides. Let's say I want to drop the price category from the left side, and I will drop the product ID from the right side because I don't want that column to be a duplicate. Now I can run my workflow again, and on the join side of my join tool, I will find everything that joined. If there are some records that didn't join from the left table, I will find them on the L side, and the same thing for the right side.